Okay. So these different shoe online is a common word, and they are asking for different kind of shoes. So all these keywords are very close to each other, are also known as schemed keywords. Okay. And this kind of ad group we should create. We should not create an ad group which has different set of keywords. Like for you, it might sound like they are similar, but they are different. Like digital marketing course, internet marketing course. For you, it's a same keyword. Its meaning is same, but for Google, it is different because both the words are different. It's internet marketing course, it's digital marketing course. For him, they are for Google, it is two courses. Sometimes for the user also, it means two courses. Okay. Some people know digital marketing. They have searched I have to do a digital marketing course. So they search digital marketing course. If they see an internet marketing course, they might get confused. I'm not saying people are that stupid. Some people are on Google, and you will realize when you do run campaigns and you hear the feedbacks from sales team, you will realize some people are really, really dumb. Maybe I don't know what reason. Okay, but maybe of the things. Uh, so that is why you have to select a very close set of keywords. So in that, in a shoe campaign itself, you will have multiple ad groups with the way I'm telling you, because you have shoes group, shoes online, one ad group. Then there will be another ad group for Puma shoes. There will be another ad group for sneaker shoes, casual shoes, leather shoes. Okay, so these all different categories which you have will be different ad groups. Okay. For example, if I take you to the website of Flipkart, which which will make an okay. So if I have to if I have to design a campaign for any website, and I have to decide what will be my campaign and what will be my ad groups. Okay. For example, how to identify what should be your ad group and what should be your campaign is very simple. So you will what you have is the first category is electronics. Under electronics, you have mobile accessories. Mobile accessories have mobile cases, and mobile cases, if they have different products, then these different products will be the ad groups. Okay, and mobile cases will be a campaign. So the lowest one in your product sheet will be the ad group, and above that will be a campaign. That is how it works. Okay. So you have plain cases and covers as one campaign, designer cases and cover as second campaign. Or it may be you can run all the campaign like somebody is searching, uh, let's say iPhone 10 cover. So this could be a separate campaign in itself. Okay, so these will be all, sorry, this will be not a separate campaign. This will be a different ad group under the campaign of mobile cases and covers. So mobile cases and cover is a campaign. And then under that, you will have these following categories of different mobile phones and others. Okay, then under mobile accessories, these will be so mobile accessories will never be a campaign because it has categories, and this category has subcategories also. Okay, so you have to keep in mind if there is subcategory under it, then that can't become a campaign. The campaign set will be mobile cases, which has only one level of subcategory, not beyond that. Okay, is that account structure is clear to you? How account structure is, which type of uh, how to make ad groups, how to define what will be my ad group, what will be my campaign. Is that clear to everyone? or you have a doubt? Because if you have a doubt, let's clear it out right away. If it is not, then we will go ahead. Please let me know. Is that clear? I will answer your question, Chaitanya and Rajiv. Chaitanya, it's clear. What about others? Is it clear to you what is ad group, how the account structure is? Okay, perfect, perfect. So now let me take questions. So the first question, Rajiv says, why do we need multiple ads under a single ad group? Why we need multiple ads? Because we have different, although they are themed, similarly themed, but still there is some distinct feature, some distinct requirement of a user is, which we can't satisfy in a single ad. That's why we create multiple ads, the first reason. Second reason is for every user, there is a different perspective he came up with when he comes to judge an ad, to judge the company. Okay, like the first company says, number one digital marketing agency, get a quote. Next ad says digital marketing agency, social media agency, Noida. Okay, third says online marketing services, number one digital agency. Fourth is get digital marketing services, best online advertising agency. If I see these three ads, uh, take two creative trials, AI powered social creatives, the company name Divin, B2B uh, digital marketing services, social media marketing. Next, High Purple, multiple channel digital agency, search, social drip marketing. Okay, so like you think you require something from a specific that agency. So every user has a different perspective, and he's looking for a different kind of words and service to be used in it. You have to address different problems of the user, even they are searching the same keyword. So that's why you need multiple ads. And Google will decide when Google runs these ads based, because Google knows about that person more than he or she knows about him or her. So Google knows like what kind of things generally he look or she look in an ad. So he will pick that ad and show it to the user. And the ad which get the maximum number of clicks, maximum number of conversions, Google will keep showing that ad more than other ads of yours. I hope, Rajiv, I have answered your question. Second is, Chaitanya, is there any limit on limit for keywords? There is no limit for keywords. You can have thousands and thousands of words in any campaign, but the only thing is, in an ad group, try to maintain between 3 to 10 keywords so that they will be themed and you are not going offbeat, you are not adding a very different words, so that you don't result into showing irrelevant ads. Okay, overall in a campaign, you can have a number of groups. Generally, we make 30, 40, up to 30, 40, 50 groups. Depends how big that account is, how big that structure is. Depends completely on. I hope I have answered all the questions. If anyone has any questions, please go ahead and ask me. Okay. Uh, no questions. So, and we are left with only couple of minutes in this class. So I don't want to touch a new topic which will consume more than 15-20 minutes. And I don't want to extend this class also, as you have occupied, you have some other engagements after 12 o'clock. I have some other engagements. So let's end this class right now if everyone is okay. Aditya says, can you explain the course content modules? Aditya, primarily we like SEM will take how many classes or how many modules? I'm not sure. You want to ask how Okay. Aditya, to be precise, it depends on each other's understanding. Like if you like the way the class has gone today, if it goes like that, it will take around 5 to 7 classes, and if it takes more time to explain it, then might take up to uh, 8, 9 classes also. It depends completely.
Was
Chetan,
basically since we have 32 classes total
we
of
have
two
16
hours.
classes.
Sorry, 16 classes of 2 hours each. So maybe if you could
Yeah.
just briefly tell us how you're dividing the 16 classes in these modules like
Yeah.
SEM, SEO.
Sure. 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 Generally, SEO, Google AdWords classes are around 6, and then we have 4 to 5 classes of SEO, and then 4 to 5 classes of social media, and one couple of classes for basics of digital marketing and website design. Chaitanya asked me, assignments in wireframe are to be decided by all. Yes, everyone, if you have some concept in your mind that you want to create a website for your business, if you have any business in your mind, you can create wireframes and sitemap for it. In case you don't have it, you can build it for someone who is trying to build his personal brand. What are the pages required and how should be the wireframe of the homepage? Any other question, guys? If there is no question, press 2 into the chat box. Perfect. Then let's connect tomorrow. We have a couple of minutes more. So